Two giants for creators and educators. One big question. Which platform truly empowers you in 2025? On the left, Podia, the all-in-one platform for creators. And on the right, Udemy, the world's largest course marketplace. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what really matters for online course success. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see which platform stands out in every area. The answer might surprise you. Here's the mind map for today's showdown. We've got pricing and revenue, audience and reach, customization and branding, integrations, types of content and features, analytics and data, mobile learning experience, and support and community. We're hitting all the stuff people forget to check before launching a course. All right, let's start with pricing and revenue. So, Podia, you basically keep most of your sales revenue, which honestly is rare these days, and no commission on customer-driven sales. So yeah, more of that sweet payout stays with you. You do get hit with a monthly subscription fee, and on some plans, there are transaction fees. You know, the usual caveats. Now, Udemy, it's free to get started, no upfront costs at all, which sounds awesome. But here's that twist. Udemy typically keeps 63% of student sales if someone finds you through their marketplace. Ouch. If you bring your own customers, you keep 97%, but that takes work. And okay, they discount courses all the time, so your sale price might be way lower than expected. So yeah, for creators really hustling for the best slice of the pie, Podia takes this round. Moving over to audience and reach, Podia lets you build and actually own your audience, which is pretty powerful. You control your branding, get student data. It really puts you in the driver's seat. The flip side, there's no built-in marketplace, so traffic is totally on you. Now, Udemy flips the script. You get access to millions of students. Seriously, millions. Udemy actively promotes your course, so it's like instant exposure. But here's the thing. It's super hard to stand out because, well, you're just one course among thousands. And student relationships are kind of handled by Udemy, not you. Still, for sheer reach, Udemy wins this category. No contest. Next up, customization and branding. Okay, Podia absolutely shines here. I'm not even kidding. You get highly customizable storefronts, full brand control, custom domains, slick designs, your own emails. It's clean and modern, even if not as advanced as, say, Kajabi. Now, Udemy, you can set your visuals and layouts inside their framework, but let's be real. Everything screams Udemy. No custom domain, no unique user experience. It's more cookie cutter than creator-centric. So yeah, this one's all Podia. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Udemy has over 60 million students worldwide. That's wild. But Podia, you get to own 100% of your customer data. Total control. So, what's more important to you? Massive reach or total ownership? Think about it. Let's talk integrations. Podia has like 50 plus integrations, including Zapier, Stripe, MailChimp, HubSpot, Gmail, ActiveCampaign, the list goes on. Super flexible, but heads up, some integrations need you to be on higher tier plans. Switching to Udemy, you get support for major stuff like Slack, Google Sheets, Zapier, Make.com. It's decent, but honestly, there are just fewer direct integrations compared to Podia. So if you're planning to automate your marketing and workflows, Podia steals another win here. Now for types of content and features. With Podia, you can sell courses, digital downloads, coaching, webinars, memberships. It's the full buffet. You even control bundles, upsells, drip content, the works. The only meh moment, the course builder isn't super advanced if you're all in on video. Udemy, though, does video streaming superbly, and their quiz setup is nice. It's perfect for structured, standalone courses, but that's pretty much it. Mainly video focused. If you want flexibility and lots of options, Podia has the edge. Analytics and data time. Podia gives you access to user emails and you own your data, so marketing's a breeze. There are built-in sales and engagement analytics, but they're a little shallow on basic plans. Switching gears to Udemy, analytics are pretty limited. Udemy owns the student contact info, not you. And you just get some simple course/sales stats. Oh, and you can't export email lists. So for data hawks or email marketers out there, Podia wins hands down. Let's see how these platforms work on mobile. Podia's site is responsive. So Yeah, you can access stuff on your phone, but there's no dedicated mobile app. Udemy, though, it goes full mobile native, offering iOS and Android apps for both students and instructors. Seriously, it's packed. The catch is, you're tied to Udemy's app interface. But honestly, for mobile teaching and learning, Udemy is the champ here. Last category, support and community. With Podia, you can actually reach real humans via direct email, and their creator community is active, which is super helpful. Just know, live chat isn't 24/7. Udemy, you get email-based support and tons of help docs, but sometimes support moves at a snail's pace, thanks to their huge user base. So if you want to get unstuck quickly and actually chat with other creators in 2025, Podia takes this one. Let's map out how these two stack up across each category. Check this out. The wins and gaps really show what matters to each kind of creator. All right, time for my honest take. If you want full control over your courses, your branding, and all those juicy extras like memberships and digital downloads, go with Podia. Seriously, it's built for creators who want ownership and flexibility. But if you're more into the idea of instant exposure, like you want your course seen by as many eyeballs as possible, without the hassle of marketing or setting up your own site, then Udemy is a pretty solid bet. Can't have it all, but now you know where each platform shines.
Did this comparison help clear things up? If yes, don't forget to bookmark this for your next course platform hunt. It's always good to have a cheat sheet handy.